What's up guys, Prince from Smartech here and welcome to Quarantine Content We're All Staying In. I'm your host and welcome to Smartech Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google AR VR, the augmented reality for smartphones by Google. It's not bleeding edge as there are a few animals only you can view in 3D but whatsoever. Let's get into it. So open Chrome and type your favorite animal, snake in my case. Now scroll down and click on view in 3D. Now this window appears where you can just see the preview. Now click view in your space and enjoy it live around you. Just pan around the camera a bit. If you have a sort of lidar scanner that we saw on the latest iPad Pro or any kind of augmented reality stuff, then it would be better. But yeah, this needs improvement. I see you can just adjust the size and you can adjust it as per your environment. Size, I'm shrinking it, and now you can enjoy this. It's beautiful. It's not the best one, I must say, because it doesn't do as well as the iPad does, but whatsoever, you can use it in your phone. I really enjoyed it and took some of the samples with this. You can see which look real life, and I just enjoyed it a lot. These are some of the shots that I shot with using Google AR VR. I will give all the animals that you can shoot out in the description, and that's out for now. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Peace.